welcome learners. Today the topic is teach yourself Hindi. So today we will be emphasizing on the topic how will you teach yourself Hindi. So here are the basic words which we will be using frequently, which we should know. As a basic we should know these words like please, thank you, the basic magical words, as well as when someone is asking us something and we are unable to understand actually the person is what the person is asking or what the person is trying to say. So in that case, if we will say I don't understand, how will I say the same in Hindi? Or I want to ask the person, do you understand? How will I ask? Or what does it mean? What does this mean? What does that mean? So how will I ask these basic ones to the other person? For that, this video is all about. So we will start the same. Here with the first one is please, and kindly note learners, this video is emphasizes mainly on the pronunciation part, which means for the learners who are here for learning Hindi, how to speak, how to converse, how to communicate. For them the course is this one. This video is completely. So hence Hindi script is not there. Instead of it, we have given you the pronunciations which you can see over here. Now the first one is please. When we are requesting someone, please, how do we say? Kripaya, 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 kripaya. Same one which is please. Now coming to the next one, thank you. How do we say the word thank you? When I want to say someone thank you in Hindi, how do I say the same? Is the frequently used one is dhanyavad. Frequently used one, dhanyavad. Or I can say shukriya, shukriya. Or I can say as shukriya. So frequently used one is dhanyavad, or I can say as shukriya. This one, shukriya. Now over here, yes, yes, which means if I want to say someone is asking me something and I am saying the answer, responding the answer as yes. How do I say the same? Yes as ha. This very much familiar. Many people will know yes, which means ha. No, nahi. No, the same in Hindi we say nahi. Again, speak slowly. If I want to say someone to speak slow or to speak slowly, how do I say the same? See, speak means bolo, kaho. That's called speak. So you can see over here the word speak, bolo, kaho. Frequently used one, bolo, then kaho. Again, slow. Slow means dheere. Slowly, which is dheere. Same meaning. Speak slowly together. This one, speak slowly, we mean to say as in Hindi, dheere, dheere bolo, dheere bolo. How do you say? How do you say? Which means if I am helping someone to say something and the same thing I am asking the person, how do you say in that specific language or any specific language, how do you say? How do you communicate? So the person, when I will say this, the same translation will be आप कैसे कहते हैं? How do you say? Say means कहना, say, कहना, which is कह. How do you say? You is here आप. How is कैसे, and how do you say आप कैसे कहते हैं? है is the sentence completion. आप कैसे कहते हैं? Again, if I want someone to repeat it once again, I didn't heard clearly, I wanted to listen one more time or once more. How should I say the same? Repeat please. I want to say the same, repeat please. So how should I say the same? Repeat as dohraiye. Repeat, dohraiye. This one, dohraiye, which means to repeat. And please means you know the word already, kripaya. This one. So repeat please will be kripaya dohraiye. Dohraiye kripaya we won't be saying. We need to say in this way, please to come first, which is kripaya, and then we will say the repeat word which is dohraiye. Again, then I want to say again, dobara, again, which means repeat again. Dobara kahiye, which means repeat again. Dobara dohraiye, repeat again. Dobara kahiye, same thing. Again, which means dobara, once again, dobara. Once again, एक बार और, दोबारा. Okay, so relate in the same way, word for word. Okay, word means this word meaning is shabd. Word means shabd. For meaning के लिए. For, the meaning of for is के लिए. This one, के लिए. Okay, again, you know the meaning for word now. Word is shabd. So the same thing is written over here. Shabd के लिए, shabd. word for the word. Now, slowly. Slowly means, which we have already seen. Slowly over here, you can interrelate accordingly. Slowly, which means dheere, dheere. Slowly, slowly, dheere, dheere. Okay. So, what did you say? What did you say? Which means two persons are there. Two persons are conversing, and the first person is asking the second person, what did you say? Like some conversation is going on, you can assume some conversation is going on, and then the person is elaborating, narrating the same. Then you are asking the person, okay, fine, so what did you say for that? So that what did you say, you will say as तुमने क्या कहा, because I have used here तुमने, means I have used here तुम, informal one, because maybe I know the person very well, hence I am using the word tum is for informal. Mainly we will be using the tum word for informal, which means for friends. We will be using it. The same age people, same age, we will be using the word tum. So तुमने क्या कहा? If you want to say आपने क्या कहा? Ne we will say here, because we are emphasizing on specifically the person. What did the person say? Okay, second person, what did the person say? Again, next one is I don't understand, which means if some person is trying to say something or trying to ask something to you and you don't understand, means you are not able to get the words, you are not able to understand the same. So how will you say? You know I don't understand, but how will you say the same in Hindi? Okay, understand meaning is samjha. Understand, samjha. Understand means someone is asking you understood, तुम्हें समझा, we will say in this way. So same way, I don't understand, मुझे नहीं समझा, मुझे समझा नहीं, मुझे नहीं समझा, one and the same. So don't is here do not, which is नहीं. I refers to मैं, but here the person is trying to say about the person, is trying to say about the person, that is himself, herself. Like for an example, I am trying to say about myself. So I will say I don't understand, which means I am saying about myself, right? So I will say मुझे. मुझे we apply only when we are speaking about ourselves to someone, about our likes, dislikes, about our feelings, about our emotions, about ourselves to someone. When we are describing or when we are trying to say, we will use the word मुझे. See, like I don't understand, that is only for the person. The person didn't understood, only for a specific person it is. So person is trying to say मुझे समझा नहीं, I didn't understood. मुझे समझा नहीं, मुझे नहीं समझा, same meaning. Then do you understand? The person is asking, do you understand this? So क्या तुम्हें समझा, the same translation, क्या तुम्हें समझा. We are using here the word तुम, hence तुम्हें. If I am using here the word आप, क्या आपको समझा, here it will change. क्या आपको समझा, आपको, specifying to the person, क्या आपको समझा, क्या तुम्हें समझा, will come. What does it mean? What does it mean? If you want to ask someone have explained you something and you want to ask more it, like what does it mean? What's the meaning of it? What does it mean actually? So you can ask the same. इसका क्या मतलब है? मतलब meaning is mean. मतलब, which means mean. Okay, it means specifying someone. इसका, okay, what, क्या, what does it mean? When we are asking in a question, the completion should be there. Hey, here completion is this one, hey. So इसका क्या मतलब है, इसका क्या मतलब है. Then I don't know, मुझे नहीं पता. Again, I don't know relate with this one, I don't understand, which means the person is trying to say about the person's, about himself or herself. Okay, like if I am saying about myself, so likes, dislikes, emotions, everything, so will come मुझे into picture. Here the मुझे word will come into picture. Same way, I don't know, again the person is trying to say about itself, so which means मुझे नहीं पता, the person don't know this. He is not saying the other person, he or she is not saying the others are not knowing, others may be knowing, may not be, but the person is trying to say about the person's, the self, oneself. So that is मुझे नहीं पता. Then do you speak Hindi? The question, do you speak Hindi? The same thing to be translated in India. How do I say? क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हैं? The same thing. Then if I want to say yes, a little, so you can say हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत. हाँ, yes, yes, हाँ. A little means थोड़ा, little means थोड़ा बहुत, थोड़ा बहुत. So again we'll say quickly all the ones. Please, as, कृपया, thank you. We'll first say धन्यवाद, or we can say शुक्रिया. Then yes, which means हाँ, no, नहीं. स्लोली, धीरे बोलो, धीरे धीरे बोलो. हाउ डू यू से, हाउ डू यू से, आप कैसे कहते हैं. रिपीट प्लीज, कृपया दोहराइए. अगेन, लाइक वंस अगेन, रिपीट अगेन, दोबारा. वर्ड फॉर द वर्ड, वर्ड आई हैव स्टेटेड यू द वर्ड, शब्द. फॉर के लिए, अगेन वर्ड फॉर द वर्ड, शब्द के लिए शब्द. स्लोली, धीरे धीरे, धीरे. वॉट डिड यू से, तुमने क्या कहा. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, मुझे समझा नहीं. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड, क्या तुम्हें समझा. वी आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन, क्या तुम्हें समझा. वॉट डज इट मीन, इसका क्या मतलब है, इसका क्या मतलब है. आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता. आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता. डू यू स्पीक हिंदी, क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हैं. डू यू स्पीक हिंदी, क्या आप हिंदी बोलते हैं. द आंसर फॉर द सेम, येस अ लिटिल. हाउ डू वी से द सेम इन हिंदी, हाँ थोड़ा बहुत.